Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Tech Go80, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive. Okay, it is quite very easy, but most of us don't know how, and sometimes we face difficulties when making a bootable storage device. Okay, so let's go on to it. So just get a browser, or I've put a link in my description to download the resource. We have something called resource. Okay, that's what we are going to use for making our bootable storage device. Okay, so we are just check the link in my description. I've placed a link there. Just download the resource and everything is gonna be okay. So just put the official website, or just check the link in my description. Also, so just have download this then the latest version, which is 3.18. Alright, yeah, I think it's done. So you open a file location and you have it here, the resource. So let's move it to desktop. Okay, let's run it here. Let's just run it here. Okay, so before you start, you have to insert the pen drive inside before you start everything. And to detect the pen drive, okay. So let's make an example. Let me use my Kali Linux here and make it as a bootable storage device. Let's use my Kali Linux. Okay, so you just drag and drop it here, and you're good to go. So that's all. Just click on restart. Okay, then it will download some useful files which will help for the installation of the Linux. I mean, for making the bootable storage media, you have to download some specific files on the internet. Mostly, it's sometimes when you're installing Linux and Ubuntu, that's what it counts. But if you're installing normal Windows, you will never see something like this. But you have to get some data. It doesn't take long. It just 1 kilobyte something, so it won't take any of your data. Just click on yes. Okay, within seconds, it's done. Does not download anything, like just so you click on OK and you're good to go. Okay. Alright, so it's starting. I hope this video was very helpful to you, and if it was, just don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share this video to your friends and families and everyone. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great day.